Day 3.
Guys, good morning from the pool.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon from the pool. It's 1 p.m. right now. Hi Ajab. So guys, the vlogs are like very inappropriate and ऐसा मजा नहीं आएगा, पता है मेरे को.
लेकिन हम लोग के लिए ज़्यादा बन रहे हैं. पहले भी फ्रैंक बोल देता हूँ मैं.
नहीं, that doesn't mean.
मैं बोलता ही नहीं. सच्चाई.
That doesn't mean like the audience you like switch off your screens, but please do support us. Thank you. So guys, आज अपन ट्विनिंग कर रहे हैं मैं और सोनी. And this wasn't planned. ये कोइंसिडेंस है. मोबाइल चार्ज हो रहा था, मॉइस्चर आ गया था मोबाइल में. Now we're back at vlogging again. हाँ, थोड़ा मैसी वैसी, like इतना भी मैसी नहीं है, but ठीक है. It gets the work done. Right now we are at burger factory. Eating burgers.
So this made like chocolate cookies, the base of the Oreo type cookies नाखिने mix है. Okay, so बनता है. हाँ, पी ले. The ginger ale पीना है. नहीं. So fried wings you want?
So guys, today me, Umme and Taha are twinning.
ना एक्चुअली मतलब ब्लू एंड व्हाइट में छे आज देखो फोटो ना बस रादर इनसाइड
Hi guys, so this is the last bite of my burger, but it feels like the first bite. It's so yummy and so delicious. Just like a wow.
That's the tagline I would like to use for my food page. It's like the last bite, but it feels like the first bite. Nice one.
Yo guys, what's up?
We are going to Anjuna beach just to see sunset.
Which set?
Sunset.
Sunset.
તને શું લાગે છે? मैं ऑमलेटની વાત કર્યો તો સની સાઈડ અપ.
તારો શું ભરોસો? તું કહેશે સની સાઈડ આપ ઓમલેટની વાત કરતો હશે તું. શું મોટી વાત છે એમાં? Ajab, how do you feel working on a vacation? Superb.
Stupid, I feel stupid.
Don't worry.
You are
So guys, we are at Anjuna beach right now. 7 p.m.
Hey, thumbs up.
Enjoying
Fried soup is
the sunset. The sun is already gone. It's already set. Yet you can enjoy the view. Hi guys, day 3, part 2, going to club ANtisocial.
Let's start.
चलिए.